In this video, we're looking again at multiplication with decimals, focusing specifically on the placement of the decimal, because as I have said previously, often it's placing that decimal that is the biggest mistake for kids. So when we look at this, we know 8 times 9 is 72. But then the question is, where does our decimal go and why? First, I always encourage you to estimate. This one's a little harder. I know that 8 is less than 1, and 8 tenths is less than 1, and 9 hundredths is much less than 1. So our answer is going to be very small, definitely less than 1. So this answer for sure is not the case. I then ask myself, okay, the rule is, let's look and see how many digits are behind the decimal in our question. We have 1, 2, 3. So that means when we are putting our decimal in, we start over where our invisible decimal is, if we're looking at the whole number, and we move to the left over 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. There's nothing in this space, so we're going to stick a 0 there and put the decimal in front. Therefore, our answer must be 0 and 72 thousandths. Okay, another example. This one's asking us to do 0.3 times 6. So in terms of our estimating, 0.3 is close to 0.5, close to a half. So half of 6, my number's going to be somewhere, or my answer's going to be somewhere around 3. These are all look much smaller than 3, but I'm guessing based on that estimation, it's going to be 1.8. These ones are less than 1, and that doesn't seem right. If we use that rule now, let's see, there's only actually one digit behind our decimal. So if we do the basic math, 3 times 6 is 18. So I'm going to move over only one place, making our answer 1.8, which is exactly what we said makes the most sense. Our answer being bigger than 1 but smaller than 3. 1.8. In this last example, I hope you're getting the hang of this idea of we're estimating first and then we're using the rule. I'm noticing it's 0 and 9 thousandths, which is a teeny tiny number, times 3. So that's hard for me to think about. Thousandths are so small. But my just guess is it's going to be this smallest answer over here. It's definitely not going to be bigger than 1. So I'm for sure it's not that one over there. Let's use the rule now. So we see, well, let's do the math first, sorry. 9 times 3 is obviously 27. And then in terms of digits behind the decimal in the question, we have 1, 2, 3 digits. So starting over here, going to the left, we have 1, 2, we have to go over one more, 3 to put our decimal. Add a 0 there. So as I said, it is the smallest of the options, 0 and 27 thousandths, or 0.027. Okay, that's it. Good luck with this section.